Are you ready to turn your design skills, even little design skills, into dollars? Selling Canva templates on Etsy is one of the easiest but most profitable online businesses you can start in the new year. And you don't even have to be a professional designer. In today's video, I'm sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how to start creating and selling Canva templates on Etsy. And most importantly, I will give you an in-depth tour of EverBee, the keyword research tool you want to use for Etsy to grow your sale and scale your business. Let's dive in. First, why would you choose Canva templates? Templates are really searched for on Etsy because they save users time and effort. So as a social media manager, you don't want to be spending the time to create new templates for every client you have. So you'd rather purchase a few template packs on Etsy, for example, and then start using them and customizing them for your own client. Plus, they're digital products. That means no inventory, no shipping costs, and no production cost as well. Once you create them once, you can sell them thousands of times without any problem. So a few popular options that you see selling on Etsy are Pinterest templates, Instagram templates, social media templates, so Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube. Then you have wedding invites and save the date templates, resumes and business documents, as well as UGC portfolios, media kits for influencers, website templates even, and also things such as printable planners that you can create with Canva. You need to focus on niches that are currently trending and on creating products that people are already searching for. So you don't want to waste your time creating digital products that people don't want to buy. So that is where EverBee comes in. So before we dive in deeper, let me introduce you to EverBee because it has been a major game changer for my Etsy business, and I am sure it will be for yours. So EverBee comes in the form of a Chrome extension and is the perfect keyword research tool for Etsy, but it provides other tools as well that we want to talk about. So it integrates directly with Etsy and it shows you keyword stats like search volume and competition, product performance, including estimated sales and revenue for existing products on Etsy, so you can see exactly how much the competition is selling and which types of products they're selling. And they also show you trends over time, so you know what's hot and what is not. So who is EverBee for? It is perfect for beginners who are unsure what to sell on Etsy and want data-driven insight. Then it is also for experienced sellers that are looking to optimize their shop and identify new product opportunities to add to their shop. And just for anyone selling digital products, print on demand, and handmade items who want to find profitable niches and outsmart the competition. So why should you use EverBee? Now let's face it, guessing isn't a winning strategy for Etsy especially. And by researching keywords in the Etsy search bar or on Google can only get you somewhere. But with EverBee, you're not just creating random products and listing them in your Etsy store hoping they will sell. You are actually analyzing exactly what people are searching for on the platform, what is selling on the platform, the exact type of products that people are interested in, so you know exactly what products to create for your shop. This will save you time, effort, and make your business successful. So let me give you some proper examples of that. First, go over to EverBee and create your account, and then go ahead and download the Chrome extension. Then head over to Etsy and start browsing while EverBee does the work for you. So for example, if you want to start selling Instagram templates, type in Instagram templates and then EverBee will show you the monthly search volume. So how many people are searching for that keyword, the competition level, so how hard is it to rank, and top performing listings, so you can analyze their designs and strategies. Now the best thing about EverBee is that in the keyword research tool, they don't only show you what that specific keyword that you search for is all about, but they show you different keywords and tags that you can rank for and their competition scores. So the competition score is the exact value that you want to look for in terms of search volume and competition. So you need a high search volume and low competition so you can rank in search with a new product with a new shop. So for that, we're looking at the competition score. So you might discover that boho neutral templates for coaches or neutral tone social media templates are trending with low competition, and that gives you the perfect opportunity to stand out and start creating your product. Now, once you've done your research, it's time to get to work and start creating those Canva templates. So let's find a few products that we want to rank for and we want to create for our store. First off, you need a niched store. So If you want to stick to social media templates, stick to social media templates. Even if your niche is Instagram templates only, that's enough of a niche, because then you can create Instagram templates for nail artists, for cooks, for bloggers, for coaches, and so much more. You want to really expand that, and then expand into colors, expand into different styles, so your audience has plenty to choose from. So when I talk about niche, that is what I'm talking about. And for example, another thing can be media kits for creators, or UGC portfolios for creators, or Canva website templates. Pick a niche and stick to it. But before you pick a niche and before you stick the style of products that you want to start creating, make sure to consult EverBee and write down the keywords that you want to use. So we've found our idea. Now it's time to go to Canva and start creating that and add it to our store. So you can choose a pre-sized template, for example, Instagram story, A4 for printable templates, or a website template, as I said. You can choose a clean, modern aesthetic that aligns with your niche, or again, keep in mind who you're creating those products for. So you can add customizable elements such as editable text, drag and drop photos, color palettes, frames. So the goal is to create something that's really easy for your customers to customize in their own Canva account. So once you save your template, you need to do two things. First, you need your Canva share link, so the template link, so you can get that and create a PDF for that link to go onto, because you don't want to just share the link with people once they purchase your product. So you need to create a PDF with the photos of how the template looks, and then a button, sort of button, that they can click on to get the templates. And this is how it will look when people will click on that specific link to get your template. And then another thing you want to do is save those exact photos of your template, so you can showcase them in your listing photos on Etsy. So the first thing, you add them to the PDF, and then the next thing is start creating the Etsy listing photos with different images, information, and mockups, so people can know exactly what they're purchasing from you. So to create your Etsy listing images, you need to include the mockup, so the images of a few templates that you've created. For example, if you're selling 30 Instagram templates, add a few of them on the front pages, such as 6 of them that'll look a bit better, so you can help them understand what they're getting in that template pack. So once your listing photos are ready, you can start listing them on Etsy, and you can use EverBee to decide on the keywords that you'll be using in your title, in your description, and also very important, in your tags. So for your title, you can have something like modern Instagram templates for Canva, 20 editable social media posts. For example, in the description, you need to clearly explain what's included in the download, who's it for, and how it works. And in the PDF you offer, you can also include information on how to access the link and instruction on how to use it. Then for the photos, as I said, use listing photos with high quality mockups. Add all 13 tags, optimizing them with keywords that EverBee suggests for higher chances to rank in search and sell more products. And then for your price, you need to price competitively. So if you're a new shop, price a bit lower than the top sellers on the platform, because if somebody sees a bestseller with $20, they will most likely purchase that if your product is $25. But if your product is $10, maybe they will see, okay, let me pay $10 and see if this new seller has something really good in here. This is at least until you can get some reviews and get some momentum going for your new shop. Then you can start promoting your templates on social media or in Etsy themes to get more favorites, views, and ultimately sales. And then you can use EverBee continuously to scale your shop. So if you see that a product is performing really well, don't just stay there. Create more products such as that one, but in different styles, or expand to more social media platforms such as Pinterest graphics with the same neutral tones as your Instagram ones, because it is most likely that who purchased that might be also interested in Pinterest graphics as well in that same style. So make sure to consult EverBee all the time for new keyword opportunities, new tags that people are searching for, and to analyze different listings that are bestseller listings to see their styles, how many sales they've gotten, and different shops as well to see how well their products are performing and to create similar products in your niche. So there you have it, a full guide on making money on Etsy by selling Canva templates. And of course, how to use EverBee to find the best-selling product ideas. Make sure to use the link below to install EverBee and start using it for your Etsy shop's growth. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below because I have more videos coming next week. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!